Hello and hi friends, I'm Krishna. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, and today topic that I'm going to teach you, that is expressing good wishes. This topic comes under Unit 1 of English book of grade 11. English subject has two sections, and this is related with language development. As I have said you, this book has two sections. The name of the first section is language development, and the second section is associated with literature. Before starting this class, it is my request you all to subscribe my channel and leave some constructive comments in the comment box. Now let's see the second slide, expressing good wishes. I have brought all these questions from the book. If you look the book, you can find the questions. I give you a way how to solve these grammatical questions of this book. Your sister is taking an IELTS test. Work in pairs, so you need to choose the two characters so that they can do dialogue or they can do conversation, because this book is designed to enhance the conversational skills of the students. I choose two characters, Rahul and Regina. They are the brother and sister. Hello sister, are you planning to go to Kathmandu tonight? Regina has said the answer. Yes, it is my earlier plan. Rahul, well, how is your preparation of IELTS exam? Regina, I think it is good. However, I need to do some practice in listening section. So now Rahul has expressed good wishes, and it is not necessary for the students to write all these good wishes in the examination. They will choose only one. I wish you all the best. That is one example. I wish you good luck. Wishing you oceans of good luck for the IELTS exam. Good luck to you on your exam. These are the good wishes. Regina, thanks. Rahul, you are welcome. Regina. So in this way you need to solve the grammatical questions which are related with expressing good wishes. Now let's see the last slide. There are three questions. One of your friends is attending a job interview and you meet him or her in the street. So what is your response? Okay, what is your response means what is your good wish to him. I wish you all the best for your job interview. I have mentioned in the short form, as I have shown you an example how to do the exercise. I wish you a successful and impressive interview. I hope for the best for you. It is the duty of the student to write only one good wishes, okay, in the time of examination. It is your friend's birthday. Many happy returns of the day. It is commonly used expression even in our daily conversation or in daily dialogues. Have a fabulous birthday. May all your wishes come true. Okay, we can express good wishes in this way. Your friend is leaving for a holiday abroad and you met her at the airport. Have a safe trip. Or you could say, I wish you a safe flight. May the road be kind to you. I wish you a happy journey. Okay, these are the good wishes in the different situations. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope my dear students will subscribe this channel and leave the comments in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video.